heart of every thriving city. Beneath the towering skyscrapers and intricate infrastructures, lies a hidden network of systems essential for modern living. These systems, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, MEP, the lifeblood of any building. However, MEP projects face significant challenges: overlapping systems, coordination issues, delays, and soaring costs. BIM revolutionizes the way we approach MEP projects. Imagine a digital twin of your building, where every pipe, wire, and duct is meticulously planned and visualized before a single brick is laid.
We can foresee potential conflicts and resolve them in the design phase itself. This means fewer surfaces at the site and a smoother workflow.
BIM allows for precise calculation and simulations.
We can test the efficiency of different services, ensure optimal energy use, and even plan for future extensions.
The collaborative nature of BIM brings all of its stakeholders, architects, engineers, and contractors on the same page. It's a game changer for communication and coordination.
The result: projects that are completed faster, within budget, and with superior quality. BIM in MEP projects not only saves time and money but also enhances the safety and functionality of the building. In the end, it's about creating spaces that are efficient, sustainable, and comfortable for everyone. BIM is not just a tool, it's a bridge to a smarter, more connected future. At Oriole Design Tech Solutions, we leverage the power of BIM to transform your MEP projects. Discover the difference with us, where innovation meets excellence.